Hello everyone, in this video we are going to cover the current affairs of month of March 2021. So let's move on to the first question. Where Hero India Women's Football League 2020-21 edition to be held? So it is going to be held in the state of Odisha. India described which country as a priority one partner in defense? So it is Sri Lanka. Which country successfully launched its first satellite Arctica M to monitor the Arctic climate and environment? It is launched by Russia. Which ministry has launched Sugamya Bharat app? It has been launched by Union Ministry for Social Justice and Empowerment. Which state has launched Garoki Pachan Chalik Nam daughter's name is a home identity program and development scheme worth of 42 crore? It has been launched by Uttarakhand. The 10th edition of Hurun Global Rich List 2021 was released, which ranks 3,228 billionaires from 2,402 companies and 68 countries. What is rank of Mukesh Ambani according to this index? So it is 8. And this index is topped by Elon Musk, who is the founder of Tesla, followed by Jeff Bezos, who is founder of Amazon, and Bernard Arnault, who is founder of LVMH. Who became first cricketer to have 100 million followers on Instagram? So he is Virat Kohli. Cristiano Ronaldo tops the chart with 265 million followers on Instagram. Which mutual funds launched first overseas fund? So it has been launched by SBI Mutual Funds. Which bank planned to introduce a $100 million credit guarantee scheme to boost India's rooftop solar program along with State Bank of India and Ministry of MSME? So it is planned by World Bank. India's Varun Kapoor and Malvika Bansud related to which sports? So they are related to badminton. In month of March, Varun Kapoor and Malvika Bansud clinched the men's and women's singles title respectively at the 2021 Uganda International Badminton Tournament. Which state launched first of its kind Engineering Research and Development Policy 2021 aimed at making the state responsible for 45% of India's growth in engineering sector by 2025. It has been launched by Karnataka. Which organization released the list of 112 Young Global Leaders 2021? It is released by World Economic Forum. In this list, there are 7 Indians and all the 112 young global leaders are under age of 14 and headquarters of World Economic Forum is in Cologne, Switzerland. SpaceX successfully tested its Starship prototype rocket called what after 2 recent failed attempts. It is called SN10. The 11th edition of the QS World University Ranking was released on March 4, 2021. Which university topped in this index? It is topped by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, USA. And there is no university from India in the top 100. It is IIT Bombay, which is placed at 172 position. Which union territory topped the medals tally in the second edition of the Khelo India Winter National Games? It is topped by Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir has won 11 gold, 18 silver and 5 bronze medal. Which country to build the world's first refugee for the platypus? It is decided by Australia. And this is how platypus looks like. National Payment Corporation of India partnered with which entity to launch RuPay Soft POS for Indian merchants? It is with SBI Payments. Employee Provident Fund organization recommended how much percentage interest rate for PF contribution for 2020-21? It is 8.5%. Closure of school due to the COVID-19 affected how many children in India according to a report Education from Disruption to Recovery released by UNICEF. It is 247 million. Headquarters of UNICEF is in New York, USA. Which bank in India became the first in India to go live on the blockchain-based payment network of JP Morgan's called Link? It is State Bank of India. What is loan limit under the Stand Up India scheme? It is 10 lakh to 100 lakh. Where was second edition of Khelo India Winter Games held? It was held in Gulmarg, Jammu Kashmir. Who became third man to hit 6 sixes in an over in international cricket? It is Kieron Pollard and he is from West Indies. He hit 6 sixes against Sri Lanka. Telangana Gramin Bank along with which bank became first RRBs to launch digital saving account opening facility through KYC? So it is with Andhra Pradesh Gramin Vikas Bank. and both these banks are sponsored by State Bank of India. Which of the following launched Yield, an online platform to buy and sell bonds and debentures in secondary market recently? So it is launched by Axis Securities. India was downgraded from free to partially free in Democracy report titled Freedom in the World 2021 Democracy Under Siege recently. What was India's score on the report? So it is 67 out of 100. What is age limit under Pradhan Mantri's Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? So it is 18 to 50. The Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) conducted a successful flight test of SFDR technology from the Integrated Test Range Chandipur of Odisha coast. What does R indicate in SFDR? It indicates Ramjet. The full form of SFDR is Solid Fuel Ducted Ramjet Technology. Along with India, which country qualified for the inaugural ICC World Test Championship final, which is to be played on 18th June 2021 in England? It is New Zealand. ISRO launched sounding rocket called WAT to study altitude variation in neutral winds plasma dynamics from Satish Dhawan Space Center located in Andhra Pradesh. It is called RH-560. RH represents Rohini, 560 represent diameter of the rocket in millimeter, and range of this rocket is 548 km. The Lunar Polar Exploration Mission (LUPEX) is a robotic lunar mission conceived by Indian Space Research Organisation and Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency (JAXA) that would send a lunar rover and lander to explore the South Pole region of the Moon in which year? It is in 2024. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution launched a mobile app called What under the One Nation One Ration Card plan. It is called Mera Ration. Which state launched Mahasamruddhi Mahila Sashaktikarana scheme to empower rural women? It is launched by Maharashtra. First ever leader level summit of Quad countries held virtually. Which country is not included in Quad countries? It is UK. And all these four countries are included in Quad countries: USA, India, Japan, and Australia. Quad represent Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, and it was established in 2007. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade to launch Atmanirbhar Niveshak portal for which investor? It is for domestic investor. Which city emerged as the top city in million plus populated cities on the government's Ease of Living Index 2021 that was released by Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Singh Puri? So it is topped by Bangalore, followed by Pune and Ahmedabad. In less than 1 million populated city, it is topped by Simla. What is India's rank in the most attractive growth destination in the world according to PwC's, which is PricewaterhouseCoopers 24th Annual Global CEO Survey? So India ranks at 5th, and it is topped by USA, followed by China, Germany, and UK. India's first transgender community desk opened in which state? So it is opened in Hyderabad, Telangana. RBI removed which bank from its PCA framework after 4 years? So it is Idea Bank Limited. And these are the parameters of PCA frameworks: capital to risk weighted asset ratio, net non-performing assets, and return of assets. So remember the parameter as well. Indian Minister for Labour and Employment Santosh Kumar Gangwar launched the convergence of ESI Employee State Insurance Scheme with Ayushman Bharat PM Jan Arogya Yojana in 113 districts of 4 states. Which state is not among them? It is Uttar Pradesh, and all these 4 states are included in this: Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. India set up first of its kind India Energy Office in which country to enhance cooperation in energy sector? So it is in Russia. And these are the 5 Indian companies which are going to play important role to enhance cooperation in energy sector. World Kidney Day is celebrated on which day every year? So it is celebrated second Thursday of March every year. And this year it was celebrated on March 11th with the theme Living Well with Kidney Disease. The Ministry of Women and Child Development bought all its major programs under 3 umbrella scheme, which is not among them. So it is Mission Uttam. Expect this, all are umbrella scheme. Saksam Anganwadi, Mission Poshan 2.0, Mission Vatsalya, and Mission Sakti. India's first forest healing center inaugurated in which city? It is inaugurated in Ranikhet, Uttarakhand. Which organization released the Food Waste Index Report 2021? It is released by United Nations Environment Programme. Headquarters of United Nations Environment Programme is in Nairobi, Kenya. According to this index, 931 million tons of food were produced globally in 2019. If we talk about India, the household food waste estimate is 50 kg per capita per year, and Nigeria is vast country which produces 189 kg per capita, and due to this 690 million people had to go hungry. Merger of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha replaced by which single banner? It is Sansad TV. Which country started its first military exercise in space? It is France. PM Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated Maitri Setu bridge between India and Bangladesh over which river? It is over Feni River. The length of Maitri Setu is 1.9 km and it connects Tripura, India with Ramgarh, Bangladesh. ISRO developed a synthetic apparatus radar called WAT with NASA which is capable of producing high resolution image. It is called NISHAR. Which Indian companies joined World Economic Forum's initiative to advance social justice in business initiative? It is Wipro Limited. Which bank launched Vikas Asa loan scheme for women entrepreneurs? It is launched by Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. Which small financial bank launched Garima Saving Account for Women? It is launched by Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Its headquarters in Bangalore. Google.org to support 1 million women entrepreneurs in rural India by providing them with business tutorials, mentorship, and accelerator programs through a web portal. What is the name of that web portal? It is called Women Will. Denmark to set up Center of Excellence for Dairy Sector in which state of India? It is in Rajasthan. Who became first Indian woman cricketer to score 10,000 international runs? So she is Mithali Raj. SEBI formed expert group under Primary Market Advisory Committee to check the feasibility to implement SPAC-like structure in India. What does A indicate in SPAC? So A indicates acquisition. The full form of SPAC is Special Purpose Acquisition Companies. Which bank launched wearable contactless payment device under Wear and Pay? It is launched by Axis Bank. India along with which country conducted military exercise Daslik 2nd in Ranikhet, Uttarakhand? It is with Uzbekistan. India's first bullet train project is being under construction at an estimated cost of 1.08 lakh crore. This first bullet train will run between which two cities? It will be running between Mumbai to Ahmedabad. Which company has launched Wheels of Love, a holistic program that supports new parents in the workforce? It is launched by Tata Motors. The Heritage Foundation, a US conservative think tank, recently launched the Economic Freedom Index 2021. What is India's rank in this index worldwide? India ranks at 121st. This index is topped by Singapore, followed by New Zealand and Australia. Who has won the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year award? She is Koneru Humphrey. Which country to ban full face coverings in public places? It is Switzerland. Which state or union territory has launched Super 75 scholarship schemes for meritorious girls on the occasion of the International Women's Day 2021? It is launched by Jammu Kashmir. Which state or union territory became third one to attain 100% functional household tap connection under Jal Jeevan Mission? It is Andaman and Nicobar. First two states are Goa and Telangana. Former captain Gary Wilson retired from international cricket. He belongs to which country? He belongs to Ireland. Which state has won the most film friendly state award at the 67th National Film Awards for the year 2019? It is Sikkim. World Poetry Day is celebrated every year on 21st of March every year. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of Unique Identification Authority of India? He is Saurabh Garg. World's first ship tunnel to be constructed in which country? So it is going to be constructed in Norway. Who among the following is going to take over? Who among the following is going to take over as the managing director and CEO of Mahindra and Mahindra? He is Anish Shah. Sassou Nguesso won the presidential election in the Republic of Congo recently. What is capital of the Republic of Congo? It is Brazzaville. Peace Prize for the year 2020. He is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and he was the president of Bangladesh. Which film has won the Best Feature Film Award at the 67th National Film Award for 2019? It is Marakkar, Lion of Arabian Sea. It is a Malayalam movie. Name the winner of the Best Actress Award at the National Film Award 2019. She is Kangana Ranaut for her movie Panga. Recently, which country celebrated 50 years of independence on 24th of March? It is Bangladesh. Which city in India got the world's first mobile water from air kiosk and water knowledge center? It is Visakhapatnam, located in Andhra Pradesh. Which state or union territory launched a campaign called Dekho Apna Pradesh? So it is launched by Arunachal Pradesh. A book titled 1232 km, The Long Journey Home, written by whom? It is written by Vinod Kapri. Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju has recently included which sports in Khelo India Youth Games 2021 in a bid to develop it as a competitive sport? It is Yogasana. Which bank in India adjusts the India's Best Bank for Small and Medium Enterprises at the Asia Money Bank Award 2021? It is HDFC Bank. What is India's rank in the 2020 Global Home Price Index? India ranks at 56th. Who among the following has been appointed as the new CMD of Food Corporation of India? So he is Atish Chandra. Who has been appointed Chairman of Airport Authority of India? He is Sanjeev Kumar. Indian Overseas Bank has launched a saving account customized for the growing millennials population in the country by keeping their banking preference in mind. What is the name of that saving account? It names IOB Trendy. What is the name of the official song for the ICC Women's World Cup 2022? So it is Girl Gang, and ICC Women's 2022 World Cup is going to be played in New Zealand. Which team won 2020-21 Road Safety World Series T20? It is India Legend under the captaincy of Sachin Tendulkar. Currently 27 states under the initial phase of One District One Product. Which state launched the concept of ODOP in 2018? It was launched by Uttar Pradesh. Bhamna Devi becomes first India fencer to qualify for 2020 Tokyo Olympics. She belongs to which state? She belongs to Tamil Nadu. World's most powerful supercomputer developed by Japan is now fully operational. What is the name of that supercomputer? The name is Fugaku and is developed by two companies Riken and Fujitsu. Which country is the biggest oil supplier of India? It is Iraq. According to a report of Reuters, USA surpassed Saudi Arabia to be on second position. So now USA on the second position and Saudi Arabia on fourth position. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the International Solar Alliance? So he is Ajay Mathur. The headquarters of International Solar Alliance is in Gurugram. Which state government announced to launch of universal health scheme called Mukhyamantri Chiranjeevi Yojana? So it is Rajasthan. Who will chair the committee constituted by the Government of India which will be responsible for the overall execution and monitoring of the Startup India Seed Fund scheme? It is under H.K. Mittal. Punjab National Bank has set up a wholly owned subsidiary named PNB Cards and Service Limited to manage its credit card business. What is authorized capital of this company? It is 25 crore. And paid up capital of this company is 15 crore. World's largest floating solar farms being built in which country? It is being built in Singapore. Recently, which country has signed the amended framework agreement of the International Solar Alliance with India? That is Italy. International Solar Alliance is an alliance of over 121 nations. The headquarters of AIC is in Gurugram. The International Cricket Council has imposed 8 years ban on Mohammad Naveed and Simon Anwar Butt from All Cricket for trying to fix matches. They belong to which country? They belong to UAE, and the headquarters of ICC is in UAE. The Reserve Bank of India has asked banks to implement the image-based check transaction system in all branches by which date? It is by 30 September 2021. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of 2 crore on which bank for having deficiencies in regulatory compliance. It is on State Bank of India. Which state or union territory initiated the project Awam Ki Baat, a radio program? It is initiated by Jammu Kashmir. 6th India Brazil South Africa IBSA Women's Forum held virtually. The meeting was led by which ministry from India? It was led by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Which country is going to host 2021 Asian Boxing Championships? It is going to be hosted by India. A report titled Violence Against Women Prevalence Estimates 2018 released by which organization? It is released by World Health Organization. Which organization released Sahi Disha campaigns to celebrate women's livelihood in rural India? It is released by United Nations Development Programme. According to a report published by Jutubi, which countries has the most dangerous roads in the world? It is South Africa. South Africa is followed by Thailand, USA and India. India ranks at 4th. The mission Grammar Day launched in which state? It is launched in Madhya Pradesh. What is India's rank in World Happiness Index released by United Nations Sustainable Development Solution Network 2021? India ranks at 139 out of 149 countries. Afghanistan is worst country in this index. This index is topped by Finland, followed by Denmark and Switzerland. Which IIT built Energy Swaraj Yatra bus? It is built by IIT Bombay. Which state government launched summer campaigns to fight malnutrition? It is launched by Jharkhand. According to a report released by CIPRI, which country is the largest arm importer? It is Saudi Arabia, followed by India and Egypt. According to the World Air Quality Report 2020, prepared by Switch organization IQ Air, how many cities from India are among the 30 most polluted cities in the world? There are 22 cities. The most populated city is Shenzhen in China, followed by 9 Indian cities. Ghaziabad is the second most polluted city in the world. 4th Global Ayurveda Festival was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in which city of India? So it was inaugurated in Kozhikode, Kerala. Which telecom equipment maker has partnered with Microsoft, Amazon Web Services and Google to develop new cloud-based 5G radio solution with its radio access network technology? It is Nokia. Which becomes India's second renewable energy company that has been named the Global Lighthouse Company by World Economic Forum. It is Renew Power and it is located in Gurugram, Haryana. India became world's 4th largest forest reserve by surpassing which country? It is Russia. China is world's largest forest reserve, followed by Japan and Switzerland. Which state has emerged as a champion state for Vandhan Vikas Yojana? It is Manipur. The SIGMO is a spring festival celebrated in which state? It is celebrated in Goa. The 14th UN Congress on Crime Prevention and Criminal Justice was held in which country? It was held in Kyoto, Japan. What is the name of the huge cargo ship that was stuck near the southern end of the Suez Canal due to a mishap caused by bad weather? It is Ever Given. And this Suez Canal is located in Egypt and it connects Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Remember the static point of this Suez Canal. Which bank signed a corporate agency agreement with the SBI General Insurance to retail its insurance products to the customer of the bank? It is signed by Indian Overseas Bank. The government of India has decided to infuse how much amount into state-owned Export-Import Bank of India, Exim Bank, in the next financial year. It is 1500 crore.